So hi guys, today we're gonna do the part 2 because it's done. Bro, you're look to me, look to me, look to me, look to me. So first we're gonna do your this. And we're gonna wash it today. Yeah. If I'm done make up in one, we're gonna wash this. Bro, look up to me. I'm just watching this. I'm watching that video. Look to me. Then i-try natin doon ang awa na bro, ang sipa-sipa na to. Okay. Kung dapat dito na. Okay ko lang. So guys, I'm gonna blend this. Natubang din sa akin. Dali lang, flashlight ang pa. I want to watch. Wait a minute. Did you just tampak me? Look. You just tampak me new. This is for my... I mean, this is for my... Yan. Isa. Ako di pala yan yung nag-blend sa inyo. Don't worry, I'm gonna blend it. Then i-wash ko ni ha. O, pagkatapos ko make up sa imo ha. Ha? Where's the So we're gonna add this again. No! Kailangan to. No! Yan, hindi pa na puti-puti. Kaya itong pana. Ebe, dali, di kami ha. You just me? No. Oy! Dali, di kami ha. Luat.